Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. Today we're going to be making a baked chicken with a potato and mixed vegetable cake. So the first thing we're going to do is put just a little bit of oil in the bottom of our baking dish. And in our breading station we have oil and garlic, and then we have panko breadcrumbs and Parmesan, and both have been seasoned. So transfer these over to our crumbs and cheese mixture. Kind of pat it down. We can shake off any excess. Alright, so I got one down. One more. The same for this one. Shake off the excess. Place it in the dish. Then instead of using any additional oil, I'm going to spoon some of our breading oil just over the top so that these get nice and golden brown. Okay, and we're going to put these in the oven at 350 to 375 degrees for, I'm going to say 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll give them a check. And you want the internal temperature in your chicken to reach 165 degrees. We're getting ready to make our mixed vegetable and potato latkes, or potato cakes. So in our bowl we already have our processed carrots, potatoes, onion. We have a little bit of basil. We also have zucchini in here. Now we're going to add 2 eggs plus a little bit more dried basil. That'll act as our binder. And we're going to add panko breadcrumbs. I'm going to give this a stir. Make sure you mix this really well to really incorporate everything. Okay, once you've got it mixed up, you can grab a spoon. We can do these kind of free form. You can patty them out if you want. I like to just take a spoon. This kind of helps you with portion control as well. Kind of form them on your spoon. Patty them out just a little bit. Drop them in your oil. You can kind of pat them together. You want your heat over medium-high. If it's a little too wet, you can always add a little bit more breadcrumb to dry out your mixture. You don't want to overcrowd your pan either, so I'm just going to start with 3 as a test, and then we'll do the rest. Set those aside. And also you want to have a plate or a shallow dish lined with paper towels to pat these dry in when they're done. And you want them to brown up on both sides. So we'll give them a few minutes on each side until they're nice and crispy, and we'll flip them. Alright, so we're ready to flip. We flipped one, flip another. And if they want to fall apart on you like this one's trying to do on me, that's okay. We call those the chef snacks, the pieces that fall off in the pan. I'm going to scoot these to the side, and I'm going to drop a couple more in. I got room to drop one more in for sure. Alright, one, another out. Alright, so our chicken is nice and golden brown. It's reached the correct internal temperature. Our potato cakes are golden brown and delicious. So we'll plate this up and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.